Hi guys, this is Alex with Top Quality Fix. I'll be showing you guys today how to replace a solid state drive on a Macbook Air A1370, which is a 2011, I believe. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get going. Interlock screwdriver, which is, you can only get it online. There's no way to remove these screws with anything else. You will damage them, I promise you. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these 10 screws, which is 4 over here, 2 on the middle and 4 on the bottom, to release this back piece so we can access the inside. All right, let's go ahead and start. Alright, as you can see, I have removed all screws from the bottom piece of the Macbook Air. There's 2 screws that are different than everything else, which is these 2 over here, which belongs to these 2 over here on the top. Everything else is the same. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this back plate. Sometimes there's a little thing that holds it down. You just got to pop it, but in this case it's pretty loose. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And there you go. This is the inside of a MacBook Air. And as you can see here is the solid state drive that we just got ours today on the mail. And we're going to go ahead and replace this. The reason why we're doing this is because this is the only way to go bigger on a hard drive. This one is only 64 gigs. And I'm going to put a 256 gigs on it. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to get it done. I will be right back. Go. Okay, so now we're ready to get this hard drive installed. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unplug the battery first. So that way we make sure that there's no shorts or anything like that happening here and there's no power running into the board. So we're going to need a torque to remove only that one screw that holds the hard drive down. Okay. Hard drive, you have to wiggle it a little bit because it feels like it's stuck on there, but it's not. It's just wiggle it like that and it'll come right off. There you go. So now we're ready to put the 256 gig hard drive in it, which is a solid state drive. Alright. Now you can plug the battery back on. Now just make sure it's on there. Now you can go ahead and put the back on and you can start putting the screws back on here to close it, and you can reinstall the OS after that. Once again guys, this is Alex with Top Quality Fix. Please follow us, and if you need any other repairs that we can do for you guys, let us know on the bottom of this video. Write any comments, any questions that you have for us. We'll see you again. We'll see you soon with another repairs on Top Quality Fix Orlando. Thank you.